Are you tired of scrolling through endless Amazon pages, wondering which gadgets are actually worth your money? What if I told you there are 8 viral gadgets on Amazon right now that you won't believe actually exist? Stick around, because today we're going to dive into top 8 viral Amazon gadgets that are taking over the internet in 2025. From high-tech toys to futuristic home upgrades, these gadgets are going to leave you speechless. Let's dive in. 1. The smart door lock. Unlock your door with your fingerprint. Imagine this. You come home, and instead of fumbling for your keys, you unlock the door with a simple touch of your finger. The smart door lock is a futuristic gadget that uses biometric technology to recognize your unique fingerprint. Say goodbye to traditional keys and even key cards. With a fingerprint scan, only authorized people can get in, making it super secure. What makes this gadget even cooler is that it's not just about security, it's about convenience. No more worrying about losing your keys or forgetting the lock code. The sleek design and easy installation make it an upgrade to any home. Imagine impressing your friends when they can't get in, but you can unlock it with the swipe of your finger. The added peace of mind knowing that no one can break in without your approval? Priceless. This gadget brings an element of luxury and tech savvy to even the simplest of homes. 2. Flying Ball, the ultimate hovering toy. This next gadget takes the concept of fun to a whole new level. The Flying Ball is a hovering remote-controlled toy that floats in the air and responds to your movements. At first glance, it might seem like just another gadget, but when you see it in action, you'll understand why it's gone viral. With a simple flick of your wrist, you can control the direction it flies. The beauty of this flying ball lies in its interactive nature. You can pass it between friends, watch it glide effortlessly through the air, and even challenge each other to catch it mid-flight. Imagine having fun for hours with a toy that feels like something out of a sci-fi movie. With bright LED lights and a cool design, it's the perfect gadget for kids and adults alike, especially those who want a futuristic way to stay entertained. Its compact size also makes it easy to take on the go for spontaneous play sessions anywhere. 3. Anti-gravity water dispenser. Watch water float. Have you ever wanted to see water float in midair? Well, the anti-gravity water dispenser makes that a reality. It's an unusual concept that turns water into an illusion of floating droplets. Sounds impossible, right? But once you see it in action, you'll be mesmerized. The device uses magnetic technology to levitate water droplets, creating an eye-catching display. This gadget is perfect for anyone who loves unique home decor or simply wants to show off something totally bizarre to their friends. While it's more of a showpiece than a practical item, the reaction you'll get from guests is worth it. The cool factor alone makes it a must-have for anyone wanting to add some pizzazz to their living room or office space. And not only does it look impressive, but it also serves as a great conversation starter at any gathering. 4. Bubble machine. Never run out of bubbles again. Remember when you were a kid and you had that amazing bubble machine? Well, now you can bring it into adulthood with the ultimate bubble gun. This gadget creates endless bubbles at the push of a button, and trust me, it's as fun as it sounds. Whether you're throwing a party, just hanging out with friends, or want to impress the kids, this bubble machine will fill the air with glittering bubbles that never stop. The best part? You can adjust the amount of bubbles it blows at once. Need a small bubble burst for an intimate gathering or a full-on bubble storm for a party? This gadget has you covered. It's the perfect way to add some magic and fun to any occasion. Plus, it's compact and easy to use, so you can take it anywhere you go to bring the fun with you. 5. Spider-Man Web Shooter. Feel like a superhero. Do you want to be Spider-Man for a day? With the Spider-Man Web Shooter, you can do just that. This gadget attaches to your wrist, and with the press of a button, you can shoot webs like your favorite superhero. Forget about chasing villains. This gadget lets you bring your inner Spider-Man to life in the most fun way possible. Not only is this gadget super fun for kids, but it's also perfect for cosplay or just a cool addition to your superhero collection. The best part? It's safe and designed to shoot soft webbing. While it's not as powerful as the real deal, it will certainly make you feel like you can swing between buildings in no time. 6. Cleaning robot, the future of house cleaning. We all know that cleaning can be a huge hassle, but the cleaning robot is here to take the burden off your shoulders. It's equipped with advanced sensors that allow it to navigate your home and clean up dirt, dust, and debris all by itself. Whether it's your kitchen floor or your living room carpet, this robot can automatically detect messes and clean them up without you lifting a finger. The beauty of a cleaning robot is that it works while you're away, meaning you can come home to a spotless house without doing any work yourself. Plus, with smart features like automatic charging, you won't even have to worry about it running out of battery. This gadget is perfect for busy people who want to keep their homes clean without dedicating hours to cleaning. And with its ability to clean tight spaces and corners, it's efficient even in the most challenging spots. 7. Shower phone holder. Watch YouTube while you shower. We've all been there. You're in the shower and need to catch up on your favorite YouTube videos, but there's no place to put your phone. Well, the shower phone holder solves this problem by allowing you to mount your phone on the wall right in front of you while you shower. Now, you can watch videos, listen to podcasts, or check your social media without worrying about water damage. This gadget is waterproof, so it can handle getting splashed with water while you enjoy your favorite content. The adjustable holder means you can position your phone at the perfect angle. It's a perfect blend of practicality and luxury. Who wouldn't want to make the most of their shower time? Plus, it's easy to install and fits most shower spaces, making it a hassle-free addition to your bathroom. 8. AI Dance and Sing Robot. Entertain your kids with AI. Finally, we have the AI Dance and Sing Robot, the ultimate entertainment gadget for your kids. This robot can sing, dance, and even teach your kids basic math and language skills. It's like having a personal AI tutor and entertainer rolled into one. Whether it's singing the latest songs or showing off dance moves, your kids are sure to be enthralled. What makes this gadget so special is that it uses AI to learn new songs and routines, meaning it's constantly evolving and improving its performance. It's interactive and can even respond to commands, making it a great way to engage your kids while they learn. If you want to keep them entertained while giving them a fun way to learn, this is definitely the gadget to get. And there you have it, 8 viral Amazon gadgets that are taking over the internet in 2025. From futuristic Spider-Man web shooters to self-cleaning robots, these gadgets are transforming the way we interact with technology in our daily lives. Whether you want to impress your friends, make cleaning easier, or just have some fun, these gadgets are a game changer. So, which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome gadget reviews. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest gadgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.